y'all? So I'm coming with y'all with a new video, and I've been seeing this, like, I mean, the high pony is not new, but I've been seeing this high pony but with a little twist, little, you know, goddess look to it. So I just washed and deep conditioned my hair, you know, the regular. Before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe, because why not, you know? Why not subscribe? Because I'm coming with fire, you know, like real live fire. So subscribe, yeah, and you'll see more, you know, hair stuff, travel stuff, hair travel stuff, you know. You don't want to miss it, so subscribe right now, right there. Click the button. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by applying my TGIN green tea leave-in. Of course, you gotta use leave-in. Then, once I apply that, I will be applying the Eco Style gel with the Flaxseed castor oil and applying that around my hair and brushing it up. Then applying the Gorilla Snot. This is gonna help me lay down my hair, so when I put it in the ponytail, it will be as laid as possible. Once I applied all product, I am now putting it in a bun. Now I'm trying to make this bun as little as possible because you don't want a big bun on top of your head with this style, because you're trying to hide it. And then I continue brushing my hair up. Now I have just bought a pack of Expressions braiding hair and added a band so I can put around it. As you can see, this will give me the actual ponytail because I am hiding this bun, and you will see how in 1 second. Now I'm gonna braid the hair just like a regular braid and braid it all the way down. Then I flip it over and I'm covering the bun parts so it can blend in with the bun. I have a lot of hair, so it was kind of hard. And then I'm just pulling apart the hair, making it a little bit more fluffier, bigger. Didn't want to braid it too tight. Off camera, I added a Flexi Rods to give it a different look. And now on to the edges. Edges, self-explanatory. Then now it's time to lay those edges down, and after that I added some hair jewelry, and these are my results. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.